Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hi you all, it's me, My March, and I'm back with another video. I'm jumping right into the tutorial, but I just want to say I am currently rocking a V-part wig from Domiso, and it is kinky curly. I just wanted y'all to get into this before we get into the tutorial. Look how realistic this look. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I achieved this look and exactly how you can as well. Today we are featuring the Domiso V-part curly kinky wig, you all. This is how it looked coming straight out the package. I'm just showing you now the clip-ins that it has and the headband for secure attachment. Now the wig does have like these underwires where it's like a little stiff for the V part, but that works still perfectly fine because it just gives it extra security. And I am utilizing those clips in the front to secure the wig on my head. When you are securing the wig, you don't want to get it too close to the edge of your hair, but make sure you slick those edges back. Leave out some baby hair if you want baby hair. If you don't, you just need to slick your edges really good in that front part so it could look extra natural. To make it easier on myself, I have decided to make this a no leave out, and we're doing this by crochet. So all you want to do is start filling in that middle part. Don't forget when you are placing the wig on in that back, like the back middle part, just make sure you leave enough room to where you can crochet some of your hair to pull the weave through. And take note the way that I am positioning the crochet needle. For me, this was the best by applying it from the top versus going under. Be sure to take your time and take little pieces. If you notice anywhere that I'm crocheting, I'm usually grabbing a small piece from that same section. This style was not very time consuming at all I had to do was braid down my hair. That maybe took about roughly about 5 minutes because I got some thick hair, y'all. So I braided my hair down and then applied the wig and the crocheting. It took me about 10 minutes to crochet, and that's because I was in front of the camera. So I'm pretty sure it doesn't take you that long, but it may because this is the part that matters. Like, this is how you determine if it's gonna look like a wig versus your natural hair. So please just take your time and make sure you take enough individual pieces to really cover those tracks up. If you notice, I did go very detailed in the front. I also even crocheted on my edges. I probably could have even crocheted more, but because of the way the curls are gonna fall, I didn't do too much. But by you crocheting some of your edges, it makes it even more natural. Be sure that you're not snugging your hair because this is a protective, technically, hairstyle, and I would not want you to lose any of your edges by making it too tight. So make sure you're not snatching your edges too tight. I want y'all to look at that blend. Like, I was shook because how can you tell that this isn't my real hair? First of all, it's giving all the texture of, us type 4 girlies. And it was just so natural and it was so easy to take care of. Literally all you have to do is finger detangle it with like your favorite choice of a moisturizer, and a mousse, but I would not comb it. I think finger detangling is just good enough. So this is totally optional. You do not have to flat iron your edges. You can just take a good edge control and lay your edges. You don't even have to lay your edges. You could just slick back your hair if that's what you prefer. But everybody who knows me know I'm a baby hair girl. Now I'm just getting around my edges just a little bit more, so filling in the areas that I feel that needs to be filled in. And don't forget that all the details will be located in the description box below. So right now I'm adding in my mousse and I'm also adding in a curl cream. You can add any mousse and any curl cream to your hair, but like I said, we are finger detangling. I'm not utilizing tools on this hair. It just isn't needed. It's super soft and super fluffy, and it's actually working really well with my hands. So no tools is actually needed. From there, we are cutting our hair. And don't forget to kind of frame the front of your face as well, but you can cut it as much, but I wouldn't take too much off. It's just kind of framing and getting those loose ends together. And yes, we are done. Look at that blend, y'all. Okay, so first, getting the wig is optional, but a lot of times you should want to wash the hair, or at least wet the hair, and then you can condition it. Personally, I would just use my fingers. You know how we be doing like finger detangling? I personally would do finger detangling because I like how the natural curl, and I don't want to kind of ruin it. I mean, I'm pretty sure the curl goes back if you utilize any tools, but I just utilize my fingers because that was very easy for me, y'all. It doesn't get matte or nappy. It just kind of, it's weird. It's like it just stay really soft and the curls just stay. This is kind of one of the best natural hair wigs that I can say that I've had, only because it's like it just don't even get nappy. Like, I slept in it. All you have to do is refresh it. Make sure you spray some water on it, a little conditioner or like a hair cream. Like, you know what I mean? Like, make sure you keep a little moisture on it. Thank you for watching this video. To all my new and old subscribers, I miss and I love you all, and I thank you so much for the support. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, you all, bye.